All right. So here we have the connections for the Sign XB first gen um, turn signals, DRL turn signals. So pretty much once you take out your bulb, there's 3 wires. There's a white one, there's a green one with an orange stripe. That's going to be your constant power, and there's going to be a green one with gray silver spots on it. So the green one with the gray spots is going to be your turn signal, like I said before, and then the green one with the orange is going to be your constant power, and then obviously the other one will be the white one with the black stripe, which is going to be your negative. So all your negative connections are going to go right here. DRLs, turn signals, and the yellow cables from the sRGB8 control module is going to go on the one with the green and orange, and all the negatives, they're going to go here on the white with a black stripe.